Tuesday, February 20th, 11:06 a.m. New York time. Recap my day trades this morning. I scalped the euro, took 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser. We're looking here at the matrix. I have the same financial instrument, but on multiple time frames, top down. Going into the trade, I'm looking at bigger picture. Here was a weekly. Since then, we have the weekly candle. Last week was this red one, bullish pin bar, and we broke above it. We have a trend reversal occurring here right now. And this weekly candle is not done yet. It won't be done to the close of Friday, but it's in the subject of a trend reversal because it's making a higher high, higher low than the prior candle. Nice. Daily chart broke above the swing high. That was one of my target areas today. And we are at this area, midpoint. Consolidation, big impulse move down, midpoint, testing it. Trade ideas are be looking for bullish swing trades using the euro or trading inverse bearish the dollar. 4-hour chart, past 10 days, 4-hour candles. Again, this swing high here was that high that daily chart is showing you, potential target on the upside today. But yep, we broke it and closed above it on that 4-hour candle. We had this impulse move up last night, overnight, big green candle, so I labeled it. Big impulse. And I labeled that midpoint here. This is all prior to my trading this morning. Okay, here are the 1 hour. Prior day's low, prior day's high. Monday holiday. And then my sessions. Sorry, the Asian and London sessions. So prior to me coming trading here, I'm seeing this Asian session. It was down here. And the London session made a higher high, higher low. Big movements up for the London session compared to this big consolidation for the Asian session. Give me more bullish bias coming into the market. Plus, we're breaking these key levels. Big round number, 108 here. We broke it, and we're trading above it during the London session. Then coming into the New York session, we had this consolidation. Again, we're looking at a 15-minute chart. We had this consolidation here. Broke this swing high. And then broke above quarters, big round numbers here. And also broke out that 4-hour high here. Go back to the 4 hours, you see. And that swing high. So big movements overnight. Very impressive, this green candle here. This one again was the 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. 4-hour candle. Let's go take it down to the faster time frame, the intraday, the 5 minutes. One day, 5-minute candles. Again, look at this London session, beginning of it, big consolidation, and then took a trend to the upside and continued trending up even after the London session. Did a minor retracement. Nice inside candle, I'll zoom in. Nice inside candle here. Never fully did a retest. And these zones I drew off were the higher time frame. I think they were in the 15-minute. We cue that in. Yep, this was the 15-minute. Let me double check this one. 15-minute, and these might be the 1 hour or the 15. Okay, these zones. So this bottom one was off for a 4 hour, and this one, 15-minute, 15-minute, 15-minute. So again, the top of it was the supply zone, bottom was demand zone, potential areas retest, potential trade ideas, as well as the numbers, red horizontal lines. Take it back in 5 minutes. Again, this yellow vertical line was the top of the hour. Start of the new hour, 7 a.m. So from 7 a.m. is where I'm starting to do my charting. Can label these already. Let's take it to the 1 minute. And look at my trades. Zooming into the 6, to the 10. Let's leave this, zoom into the 630. Take it to the 10. So there you go, 1 minute chart from 6:30 a.m. to 10. So again, here, this vertical line, just let me know it's the start of the new hour, ending in 1 hour, 7 a.m. And then I'm drawing my drawings. Again, this was a supply zone. Our sellers were up there in the earlier time. And then look at that, around the half an hour time when it was consolidation, failed to go higher, look for a short, bearish trade. Didn't like what I saw, so I didn't take it. Plus the trend, I knew the trend was strong, bullish bias, so I should be looking for what? Long trades, bullish trades on pullbacks. And here we came. Again, vertical line here, 8 o'clock, the start of the new hour, pullback. Here we did break these swing lows here. And then we had that little consolidation. You want to look for a breakout. Let me zoom into the 9 o'clock. So again, here the 8 o'clock. And then I liked it, that consolidation. I took long right there during that 8 o'clock, right after, a few seconds after the 8 o'clock, but during that 1 minute, I took long, went bullish, bought the position, got in a scalp. And then the momentum went up. My trade got closed right here. Small move I was looking for. And left money on the table because continue going higher. A lot higher. Yep. Again, scalping. And then look at this again. This was the consolidation, became a selling. And already that first 1 minute that broke above it. I'll label that blue line so you can see. So I already knew this was a 1 hour high, blue horizontal line. And look at that first 1 minute, broke above it, rejected it, closed below it, making a shadow on the top. Easy to be faked out. Again, it's better to look for these consolidations and breakouts for a setup. Yep. Then we had this tight consolidation here from the around like the 8 to 10 to there. Consolidation, 825, that big pump. And this consolidation was higher than this one. As you can see, it's above that blue line. Move that blue line. And then if there was 8:30 news, which there wasn't, but I had this vertical line drawn there, long dotted dash, 8:30, just in case if there was news. And during that time, I'll zoom in more from the 7:30 to the 9. Again, that big round number, horizontal line, 0.0825 quarters. Big consolidation was building up around there, showing rejection over here, like a bearish pin bar. Again, really wasn't doing panic selling, none of these big dumps. So I'm looking for a trade. And I'm thinking, okay, big consolidation, maybe this would be the dump before the new hour. So I'm looking for a trade and broke below this consolidation. That green candle, that red candle, we broke below it. So I took a short. Shame on me. I took a short when the overall trend was bullish. Yep. Had some gains, didn't close it. And I let it break above that swing high and took a loss. So first win, second loss. Shame on me again, going against the trend. Yeah. Well, after that occurred, I'm seeing this inside candle. I'm seeing again consolidation, breakout again. We were not making lows. We're making higher lows. Even though this was red, that candle broke that high, rejected it again, the higher lows. So I took a long right there. A nice big impulse move up. I said, I'm not giving up that, losing that gain to a loss. So I closed and took profits. Good. And had a consolidation here coming into the 9 o'clock. Yeah. So shame on me taking that trade here. Yeah. Again, and when it gets to the market. Yep. Okay. Stick it to the US dollar. Share some more inside here. US dollar index. 10-year chart on the monthly. That big green candle testing midpoint right there. Again, the month's not done over. Just want to show you what's going on in the monthly candles. Green candle, higher high, higher low, rejecting midpoint. Missed the low of the year. Let's take it to the weekly. Midpoint. Look at that big impulse move down. Weekly candles. Had that pump a few weeks. Daily, sorry. Did I skip the weekly? Yeah, sorry. Here's the weekly. I moved too fast. Sorry. So here is the weeklies. Get impulse move down, midpoint of the weekly. If you remember that red candle 3 weeks ago, I said that was a bearish pin bar looking for a trade signal, trade bearish against the US dollar. And I also said it was potential retest somewhere that red candle, as well as this midpoint. And that's what it did last week. Huge trading range, massive rejection on the top, huge wick, rejected midpoint there. And today we broke that low of that green candle. Look for potential bearish trade, swing trade for weekly. And you can use a dollar or the trade inverse, the euro, and the daily chart. Today, we already broke this impulse move up, that big green candle impulse move up. We rejected that midpoint right there. And reversal, opportunity been trading bearish right there on the daily time frame. Broke below there. Nothing wrong with taking profits if you already have them. Or if you're looking to enter a new trade, wouldn't be looking to do that too. Take on more risk. Let's see how this goes throughout the day, because you can take it to the 4-hour. There we go on the 4-hour. Look at this nice retracement, almost a dodgy candle here. And that big 4-hour candle there, that first one, nice reversal. If it took a short there. Yep, nice move down. And now look at that forming down here again. So I can use multiple time frames for day trading and swing trading. Thank you as always for spending just a little bit of your time with me. That's it for this video.